Hello friends, how are you? In this lecture of chemical kinetics, today we will see how to find unit of rate constant. We know that different types of reactions are there. For example, zero order reaction, first order, second order, third order, etc. Chemical reaction with order 3 or more than 3 are rarely occurs and a little chances. Then how to find the unit of rate constant when a reaction is of zero order, when it is of first order, second order, etc. Remember, this question is very important. This concept is very important for any competitive exam like JEE, NEET, CSIR, NET, GATE, etc. Then we must know how to find unit of rate constant. See here, I will take general reaction. A reaction A plus B, it gives product. Then how to write rate law for this? इसका rate law कैसे लिखते हैं? Rate law यानी what is rate law? In previous lecture we have seen what is rate law. Rate law यानी simple mathematical equation in which rate of reaction is expressed in terms of concentration of reacting molecules. Concentration term में explain होता है rate of reaction. So here R is directly proportional to concentration of A and concentration of B. So here same equation we can write R is equal to K into concentration of A to the power suppose X, B to the power Y. We don't know what is X and Y. So what is R? R and a rate of reaction. And what is K? K and a rate constant. K का मतलब rate constant होता है और इसका यूनिट हमें फाइंड आउट करना है. रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन का यूनिट देखा हमने फर्स्ट लेक्चर में. अभी आज unit of rate constant we have to find out when reaction is zero order reaction. In case of zero order reaction, suppose a reaction is zero order. Remember one formula how to find out unit of rate constant. Remember formula, unit of rate constant K is equal to moles per liter to the power 1 minus n into time to the power minus 1 and a time inverse. Here K and a rate constant, इसका यूनिट हमें फाइंड आउट करना है. What is n? n यानी order of reaction. Order of reaction यानी n. ये सिंपल सा इक्वेशन हमें ध्यान में रखना है. By using this equation, we can find out unit of rate constant for any reaction. So here mole per liter. Same equation we can write K is equal to mole liter. इसको ऊपर न्यूमरेटर में ले लो. So ये बनेगा liter to the power minus 1. 1 minus n time inverse. It may be in seconds, minutes, hours, etc. Now when reaction is of zero order reaction, then how to find out unit of rate constant? See here, zero order reaction, here n is equal to what? 0. Then apply this formula. K is equal to an unit of rate constant. Unit of K is equal to mole liter to the power minus 1 to the power n raised to 1 minus 0 time inverse. Time inverse यानी mole liter to the power minus 1 यानी liter inverse. Here it is power 1 and as it is mole to the power 1 liter to the power minus 1 because 1 into here it is 1 into 1 here it is 1, 1 into minus 1, it is minus 1, and a time inverse. So this is the unit of rate constant in zero order reaction. Now second, suppose a first order reaction. First order reaction. Yani n is equal to what? N is equal to 1. Use the same formula. यही formula use करना है. Unit of K is equal to, now mole to the power 1, liter to the power minus 1. 1 minus, what is n here? It is 1. N is 1. Time inverse. So mole liter inverse to the power 0 time inverse, and anything raised to 0 and it is 1. So 1 into time inverse. So time inverse is the unit of rate constant in a first order reaction. It may be in second inverse, minute inverse, hour inverse, etc. Now, third, suppose reaction is second order reaction. Second order reaction here, n is equal to 2. You know what is order of reaction? The order of reaction, definition of order of reaction and explanation about order of reaction we'll see in next lecture. So here n is equal to 2 and a second order reaction. Then what is unit? Unit of rate constant equal to mole to the power 1, liter to the power minus 1, raised to 1 minus n. Here n is 2. Yani 1 minus 2 and it is minus 1. So time inverse. Now 1 into minus 1, it is minus 1, and a mole to the power minus 1. Liter minus 1 into minus 1 ये बनेगा plus 1, and a liter to the power 1, and a time inverse. This is the unit of rate constant in case of second order reaction. Suppose the reaction is of third order. In case of third order reaction, थर्ड ऑर्डर रिएक्शन, इसमें n की वैल्यू क्या होती है? n इज इक्वल टू 3. फार्मूला ध्यान में रखना है, बिल्कुल भी भूलना नहीं. k इज इक्वल टू फार्मूला अगर चला गया, यूनिट भी चला जाएगा. सो हियर k इज इक्वल टू मोल टू द पावर 1, लीटर टू द पावर माइनस 1, 1 minus 3 time inverse. Now k is equal to 1 minus 3 and a minus 2. I will write one more step, mole to the power 1, liter to the power minus 1. Here it is minus 2 into time inverse. So k unit of rate constant, mole 1 into minus 2, it is minus 2. Liter to the power minus 1. Minus 1 minus 2, it will be plus 2, and a liter to the power 2, and a time inverse. This is the unit of rate constant in case of third order reaction. Remember, this concept is very important for any type of competitive exam. For example, JEE, NEET, CSIR, NET, GATE, JAM, IIT, etc. So, how to find out unit of rate constant? I have taken this general reaction. A plus B, it gives product. ये हमारे reactants है. Reactants. And what is the rate law? Rate law, and this is simple expression in which rate of reaction is expressed in terms of concentration of reactants. A reactant है concentration of A to the power X, concentration of B to the power Y. अब इसकी order, how to calculate order? Order यानी addition of these powers. यानी order of this reaction we can say that is X plus Y. We'll see in detail in next lecture, that is X plus Y. This is the order of reaction. Isn't it? With examples, we'll see in next lecture. So here, rate of reaction is equal to K into concentration of A to the power X into concentration of B to the power Y. R यानी रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन है, K यानी रेट कांस्टेंट है. हर ऑर्डर में the unit of rate constant is different. It is not same. So initially I have taken zero order reaction. What is our formula? Our formula is K is equal to K, and here it is the unit of rate constant. Unit of rate constant, unit of K is equal to mole per liter to the power 1 minus n time inverse, where n is equal to order of reaction. Same formula we can write out here, mole to the power 1 liter, denominator में numerator में लिया मैंने इसे, liter to the power minus 1 raised to 1 minus n time inverse. So back to zero order reaction. यानी here n is equal to 0. Take same formula, unit of K is equal to mole to the power 1 liter to the power minus 1 raised to 1 minus n and 1 minus 0 time inverse. 1 minus 0 and 1. So multiply 1 into 1, it will be 1. Minus 1 into 1, it will be minus 1. And a mole to the power 1 liter to the power minus 1 and time inverse. This is the unit of rate constant in what? Zero order reaction. First order reaction, n is equal to 1. Unit of rate constant equal to mole to the power 1 liter to the power minus 1 to the power 1 minus n, 1 minus n, here n is 1. So here it will be 0. And anything raised to 0, yani it is 1. Yani unit of rate constant in a first order reaction is a time inverse. Here it is a time inverse. Second order reaction, n is equal to 2. Apply same formula. The unit of rate constant is mole to the power minus 1 liter to the power 1 and time inverse. Third order reaction, K is equal to mole to the power minus 2 liter to the power 2 and time inverse. This is the unit of rate constant in third order reaction. If in doubt, you can put your doubt in comment box. Definitely I will back to you. In next lecture, we'll see in detail about order of reaction and characteristic features of order of reaction. Thank you very much.